her. Hold on, I have to help her.
Hold on, swap this spider. Yeah. What's this contraption you got out there?
Nothing. I just go to the bathroom so she'll be a bit.
Actually, she is not feeling well tonight.
No, she goes to the bathroom.
Actually, yeah, she's in the bathroom. Now I'm gonna try to walk on air like I did in their other videos they showed me. Okay, Grandma.
Be careful!
Why? It's pretty easy when I think about it.
Whoa, Grandma!
Give me my walker.
Ow!
I can't get off. Hi. What are we gonna do tonight, dearie? What are we gonna do today, dearie?
What's my name?
Dearie.
What is my name?
Bella?
Yes, it is. Finally, you remembered my name.
Yeah. I got a brand new walker for my birthday. It's very simple to use. Now I'm gonna try live again. I'm gonna go.
She dyed her hair brown so you guys want to see the gray hair.
Oh.
Usually she would have gray hair.
I'm flying, Derry. I'm flying. I'm flying.
I think you girls need a light jacket on.
We were videotaping.
Oh.